Hi, my name is Torrin Allison, and the endangered species that I'm doing is the Sumatran elephant. And it's an animal, it's a chordate, it's a mammal, and it's from the Proboscidean group. And the genus species is Elephas maximus sumatranus. The Sumatran elephant naturally resides in Sumatra, which is an Indonesian island. This endangered species resides in tropical and rich forest areas. And the life cycle of the Sumatran elephant is basically a lot. And the male elephant, they're referred to as bulls, and the female elephants are referred to as cows. And the male elephants are very aggressive, and they experience high levels of testosterone, and they secrete substances during these periods. And this is called the mush. The secretions also have a distinct smell that attracts potential mates. And the female elephants are known as cows, and they're considered reproductively mature at 8 years old. And these elephants also have a gestational period up to 22 months and at least 19 months. And the baby elephants gain strength rather quickly after their birth, and they typically start standing within 30 minutes. And they're also born at 200 pounds. The tusks of the elephants are usually shorter compared to other elephants of different habitats, like elephants in Africa, their tusks are larger. And the adult female elephant is shorter than the male. The tusks are also shorter than the male's tusks. And these elephants can reach up to 6 feet in height, according to shoulder length. Behavior. Sumatran elephants are primary consumers, and they're also herbivores. So they live off of grasses, plants, and fruits, and all that kind of stuff. They usually use their tusks to pull up the grasses and the fruits and the seeds that they eat. The migration is determined by wet and dry seasons, and the oldest elephant in a herd is usually responsible for remembering the route of migration, because elephants have amazing memory. And the current status of population. There are currently 2,400 to 2,800 Sumatran elephants left on the planet, and this estimate was recorded in 2017. The population is decreasing due to deforestation in Sumatra. Their habitat is being destroyed and wiped out really quickly, so they're dying. Continued. In 2012, this is the direct quote, it's really good. In 2012, the Sumatran elephant was changed from endangered to critically endangered because half of its population has been lost in one generation, a decline that is largely due to habitat loss as a result human-elephant conflict. And this elephant is in danger of going extinct, so I thought that was cool. They don't even call it endangered anymore, they call it critically endangered. And that's the little forest that got messed up in the picture. Student position. The Sumatran elephant helps tropical forests to continue thriving and growing. They feed off of the plants and fruits found in their habitat, and it ensures that the forest can sustain life. It is important for humans to protect the species for many reasons. Without that species living, forests will become barren. It is also harder to control the destruction of their homes when they are being killed anyway by poachers. So it's easier to take away the home and destroy the home if they're already being killed. And next, this is it. But I do want to point something out, so I'm gonna go back. So also, it's easier for them to be killed, like weed out their home and everything. Poachers are using their tusks for ivory, so that's another reason why they're dying. They're dying because their homes are being destroyed, they can't live off the food that they need, and they're just being killed, so.
Question, what do they eat?
What do they eat? They eat plants, fruit, seeds, and grasses. I'll go back. Look, there it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they're herbivores, so they're primary consumers.
So I wonder, why, you said, what are the reasons, again, why they were dying out?
They're dying because poachers are using their tusks for ivory.
Oh.
And in areas like Asia and Africa, ivory is really, it's expensive. So if they get that stuff from the animals, they can sell it and make a profit off of it. So they're killing the animals. And so that's why it's easy for them to wipe out their forests, because they're not there anymore because they're already being killed. And so for the ones that are alive, they're wiping out the forest, so they don't have nowhere to go. So that's why this one is now considered critically, because They just taking them out quick. So yeah, this is the elephant, the Sumatran elephant, and that's it.